Read at Home. This program was formerly known as Storytime Kits, but that was a little bit confusing with our virtual storytime, so we changed the name. So if you signed up for Storytime Kits, don't worry, you are watching the right video. My name is Miss Angela, and I hope you all are ready to sing hello with me. Can you start waving your hands? Good morning to you, good morning to you. Good morning, dear friends, it's nice to see you. Let's all wave hello, let's all wave hello. Let's all wave hello, it's nice to see you. It's very nice to see all of you. Like I said before, my name is Miss Angela, and our theme for this week is superheroes. Do any of you guys have a favorite superhero? Do some of you like Batman? What about Spider-Man? Oh, would you want to have powers like Spider-Man? Be able to climb up a building or swing from your spider web? That might be kind of cool. All right, well, today we have a bunch of different songs and rhymes that have to do with superheroes. So we're going to start with a very simple one. This is modeled off after the teddy bear turn around rhyme, but we're going to be superheroes instead. All right, so stand up, get all your wiggles out, and we'll get started. Superhero, superhero, put on your suit. Superhero, superhero, put on your boots. Superhero, superhero, turn around. Superhero, superhero, touch the ground. Superhero, superhero, reach up high. Superhero, superhero, fly through the sky. Oh, good flying. Superhero, superhero, bend those knees. Superhero, superhero, climb some trees. Quick, quick, go climb faster. Superhero, superhero, save the day. Superhero, superhero, shout, hooray! Can you shout that again with me one more time on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3, hooray! Well done, very nice. Now, our next song is one of my favorite superhero rhymes. So this has the same tune as Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. So let's do one verse of that first, just to make sure that we all remember how it goes. All right? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Excellent. Now, what are some of the things that a superhero wears? Can you think of something they wear on their face? A mask. That's right, to protect their secret identity. Some superheroes also wear a cape to help them fly through the sky. So those are just some of the things that we're going to include in our next rhyme. Are you guys ready? Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Gloves and belt and muscles in your suit. Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. I think we should do that one more time, okay? And when I ask you to show me your muscles, I need to see how big and strong all of your muscles are. Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Gloves and belt and muscles in your suit. Mask, cape, tights and boots, tights and boots. Great job. You guys have some really strong muscles that you're showing off. Okay, we're gonna switch from songs and rhymes for a second to a couple flannel board stories that I think are really fun. Okay, So I just want to make sure that everyone can see my flannel board. Very good. Our first flannel board is called My Cape of Many Colors. All right, so here we have, whoosh, oh, a superhero. Uh-oh, but what's she missing? She's got her mask. She has her gloves. She has her boots. She doesn't have a cape. All right, we're going to need to figure out what sort of cape we should give her. So let's see. A superhero needs to be pretty brave, don't you think? They're doing dangerous things all the time, so they need to be brave. Well, my cape of bravery goes over my head. It makes me feel bold, and its color is... What color is that? Red. Very good. Well, that's a pretty good cape, but I think superheroes also need to be honest, right? They need to tell the truth because those villains that they sometimes face, they might be telling lies. So a superhero needs to be nice and truthful, which is why our superhero has a cape of honesty that makes villains speak true. It chases out lies, and its color is... What color is it? Blue. Very good. So let's try on our blue cape. Oh, I think that looks pretty good, but let's see what else we have. Oh, my cape of fairness conquers those who are mean. It makes me feel strong, and its color is... What color is that? Green. Very good. All right. Oh, I like the green cape too. This is going to be hard to decide. Well, being a superhero is a tough job, and sometimes we maybe want to feel a little bit calmer, nice and relaxed and quiet. One of the best ways to do that is to take a deep breath. Can you take a deep breath with me? Go. And then let it out through your mouth. Go. All right, can we try that again? Take a deep breath in. And then let it out. Well done. My cape of calmness makes me feel mellow. It quiets the world, and its color is... What color is that? Yellow. Ooh, I like her yellow cape. That even matches her hair, doesn't it? Let's see. A superhero also needs to be pretty smart, right? Because they have to figure out how to fight the bad guys. They need to figure out what's happening in their city. So let's see. My cape of wisdom helps me think and solves tricky problems. Its color is pink. Great. All right, well, I like the pink cape too. How are we ever going to decide which of these capes to wear? Which one do you think is the most important? Wait, I have an idea. All right, we've got one more cape. My favorite cape gives me a nice glow. It is all these great colors. It's a rainbow. And this cape will give us all those powers that we talked about. Well, that's great. I think we made exactly the right choice with our cape. All right, wave goodbye to our superhero. She's going to zoom off to save the day. Now I've got one more flannel story, and this is a nice silly one. All right. So we have here a boy who loves to play dress up. And his favorite kind of dress up to play is superhero. He's got lots of costumes, but today, he's got a problem. All of his favorite costumes are in the wash. What is he going to do? Well, I think he's decided to make his own costume, and it's going to be the best superhero costume ever. Well, what makes a good superhero? Good ears, right? You need to be able to hear if anyone is in trouble. So, our friend Ben looks around for some big ears. Oh, he found some really big ears. What kind of ears are those? That's right, bunny ears. This is an interesting superhero costume so far. Now, he's thinking about his nose. A superhero needs to be able to smell if there's a fire so he can go rescue people. So Ben found a great big nose. Oh, what kind of nose did he put on? An elephant's nose. Can you show me your best elephant trunk? Give me a wave with your trunk. Oh, Ben is looking kind of silly. Now, superheroes also need to be really, really strong, right? So Ben found the biggest, strongest arms and put them on. Uh-oh. What kind of arms are those? They're gorilla arms. Oh my goodness. Superheroes also need to leap tall buildings. And for that, you need some really hoppy feet. Oh, can you think of what animal these feet might belong to? I think they're frog feet. Oh my goodness, how silly. Finally, Ben knew that all the best superheroes can fly. So he found a pair of super flappy wings. Do you know what kind of wings those are? They're bat wings. Oh my goodness. So let's see Ben's finished costume. Oh, does that look like any superhero you've ever seen? No, me neither. Ben thought, though, that he was the greatest, best, strongest superhero ever. He ran out into the living room to save his sister from evil villains. And do you know what his sister said? "Ah, a monster!" she screamed and ran crying to Mommy. And Mommy made Ben take the costume off because his sister was so scared. Well, once the costume came off, Ben didn't really feel like a superhero anymore. Oh well, he thought as he went back to his room. I can always be Captain Underpants instead. And that's the end. Great job guessing all those different animal parts. All right. I think I've got one more song for us to do really quickly. So I will move this out of the way. All right, and this song is to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. So I bet you guys know how to sing this one, okay? The superhero's arms flex and lift, flex and lift, flex and lift. The superhero's arms flex and lift all around the town. The superhero's legs run very fast, very fast, very fast. The superhero's legs run very fast all around the town. The superhero jumps up high, jumps up high, jumps up high. The superhero jumps up high all around the town. The person in trouble yells, "Help, help, 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 help." The person in trouble yells, "Help, help, help," all around the town. The superhero saves the day, saves the day, saves the day. The superhero saves the day all around the town. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for some super rhymes and songs. If you haven't yet picked up your kit from the Cuyahoga Falls Library, that's totally fine. We'll still have them available at the drive-thru in the coming days. Your kit should include a superhero cape and a superhero mask to make, as well as a book if you decided to check one out. All right, well, I really hope to see all of you guys next week. As I said before, please keep an eye out for Kids Create and Read at Home, as that is the new title of this program. Thanks for joining me. I had so much fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.